I went to bed dreaming of sunshine for the morning, but did I wake up to sunshine? No. In typical fashion, it was a cold, wet start. Again. When you're riding through cold air and you enter a tunnel that's got warm air, this is what happens to your camera. Outside of the tunnel, the rain was very light, the views weren't too bad, but we could still see grey clouds and a bit of mist above the trees. Let's hope it doesn't get any worse. Every once in a while you'd be going down the road and a gap in the trees would open up and you'd be greeted by these beautiful views. And sometimes you just didn't know where to look. Great bridge constructions, beautiful rivers, or the mountain view. As we passed a few buildings and shops, we were looking for a restaurant or somewhere we could get something to eat. And then you'd get long gaps where you nearly starved to death. But at least the views were nice while you were doing so. It wasn't long before we got our wish. A few minutes down the road and we found a nice looking restaurant. Well, we've just stopped for some pork in pepper sauce and chips, amongst other things, and a brew at this place next to the river. Lovely it was too, because it was much needed. We've been riding in the rain again. What's new? Hopefully we're going to be getting out of that. We've been saying that for about 5 days. I'll probably, next time I see sun, I'll probably be back in England. That'd be ironic if that's the hottest part of the trip, won't it? Imagine that. I can see it happening though. That's the ironic part of it.
Yeah.
Yes. Alright, my phone's charging now, I can see it. Right. I'll drive. Ready? On the right. Don't forget that bit. grids. Yeah, they like to put grids in crappy places. I don't mind them obviously on straight, but there's something bend in it there. And these here, because they're not flush with road, they cause a bump as well, so they're bloody dodgy. Speed limits, that's... See? Grid right in the middle of the road. £50 an hour, leaving Greece.
And no, it has not escaped my attention. It's raining yet again.
Does that make that a greasy spoon? A greasy spoon cast? It's in grease. Well, the views are still great, kind of. Well, they're not clear though. We're in Wolf. Driving on the right side of the road is a piece of cake. Keeping within the speed limits is the hard bit. Waving in the twisties, going around the twisties with one hand because you want to wave at someone. It weren't the Romans that built these roads, were it? What are these like little birdhouse things at the side of the road? Is that what they are? A memorial to someone that's come a cropper. It's a bit sad, isn't it? Yeah, it's got marks for quite a few bikers on it. Yeah, it's not a pretty sight when you keep seeing memorials for bloody, probably bikers of all people. What the hell's that? Just a waterway, what? We're down in a dinghy. I think we're in Austria. I'm not even sure anymore. Yeah, I think it is Austria. We're in Turkey. Took a wrong turn. Look at that size of that. That's high up there. Look at that. There's some sort of crane thing swinging around. Are them people? It is the bungee jumping. Crazy bastards. I wouldn't do that if you paid me. Bollocks to that.
A 192 metre bungee jump.
Absolute nut jobs. I'd end up splashing around in my own spew. That's not good. Yeah, sack that. Is that the end of them? Biker cafe. There's a lot of stuff that they cater for bikers for, isn't there? A lot of cafes and all, you know, bikers welcome, and a lot more than at home. Like saying, there's a lot more bikers from all over the world on these roads. Not so many from UK though. We have, I mean, on this whole trip we've met probably a couple of English people, but no other English bikers. Yeah, I mean, it'd be nice to see a few, just to get their input and see where they've been and what kind of experience they've had. I'm sure they'll say the weather's been crap. I think that's a given. How have you found it? Wet will be the response. Don't ever call UK weather again. Bleeding worse. Bloody grids on corners again. What the f***? You've got to be kidding me. Really? This is dodgy as. You can see other bike tracks squirming all over in front. And then you've got all of your tyres just in time for a few bends. Yeah, welcome bikers, dodge the grids. It says it's 100, but I'm sure it won't be along here, because what's the speed on here meant to be? It says 100 on sat-nav, but surely not through them. No. Oh, grid, bleeding now. Watch that grid on corner, it's in a right bad position. Oh, f***, we all are. What are they f***ing thinking? Christ, how long's this going on for? All these dodgy shenanigans. we've got a bumpy section now. That's a bloody big mountain, isn't it? That's massive. They don't come much bigger than that, surely. That's a proper neck breaker just looking up at it. In fact, I can't look up. Not on a bend anyway, that's a bad idea. But it's all covered in bloody clouds. Bloody 52 mile an hour. 50 is the speed limit on long gear. Unreal. I don't think at home I've ever used cruise control on normal roads. Yeah, I normally just use cruise control on motorways and things. But here, because the roads are long and, well, with daft speeds, yeah, they do have a lot of problems with bikes. You can see the signs outside the road all the time, warning bikers, or warning people to keep your eye out for bikers, I don't know which. Another bloody big river. Met a rain we've had, I'm not surprised there's bloody big rivers around here. Yeah, suffering with floods. I didn't put that on the advertisement poster when I wanted to ride round somewhere warm. I can't believe, right, so last year we did a tour of Scotland and we got crappy weather, so we said we're not doing Scotland again because it just keeps raining. We'll do Europe, we'll go to all these hot countries and we'll have to get some decent gear for coping with hot countries. So we do all that, we get here and this just piss down every day. And the irony is, it's scorching in Scotland. It's just taking the piss. I don't know, I've got unfinished business with Scotland. I need to go back. It'll probably rain when we go back. Out Shearer. Is this one road or is, I don't know. Where are we going here now? Oh bollocks. We're joining a road that's jammed. Absolutely. What the hell's this crap?
While we're filtering through all that traffic, I'll show you what's coming up in the next video. There is a lot of laughing going on.
Oh, that's ticklish. We're coming into the hairpin bends and I can't see if we're laughing. I'm crying.
If you want to know what that's all about, I'll see you in the next video.